In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to Sora 2, 2025, step by step. If you've been trying to get into Sora 2 and keep hitting a waitlist, an invite code can speed things up. Here's how to do it safely and smoothly from search to redemption so you don't waste time or money. First, head to eBay and use the search term Sora 2 invite code. You'll see a range of listings, but don't click buy right away. Take a moment to filter by top-rated sellers and recent listings. Open a few options and read the full description carefully. You're looking for details about delivery methods, such as instant delivery, email, or eBay messages, and any notes about region restrictions or expiration. Check the seller's rating, their recent feedback specifically mentioning Sora 2 codes, and how many units they've sold. If the price looks too good to be true or the description is vague, move on. Before you purchase, review the return and refund policy. If anything's unclear, send a quick message to the seller asking how they deliver the code and what to do if redemption fails. This simple step can save you from headaches later. When you're satisfied, complete the purchase using eBay's checkout to keep everything protected within the platform. After you buy, watch for the code to arrive via your chosen delivery method. When it does, copy it exactly as shown. Now open Sora 2 on the web or in the app and sign in to your existing account. Look for the section where invite or access codes are redeemed. This is typically under account settings or a dedicated redeem code page. Paste the code carefully, double check for any extra spaces, and submit. If the code is valid, you should see a confirmation and your access level update. If you get an error, try again and make sure the code matches exactly. Still not working? Take a screenshot of the error and contact the seller through eBay right away, referencing the listing. Keeping all communication inside eBay helps with resolution and buyer protection. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep a record of the listing, your receipt, and the code until everything is activated. Avoid sharing the code publicly. Only pay through eBay, never off-platform. And make sure using a third-party invite is allowed in your region and consistent with Sora 2's terms, as policies can change. That's it. Search, verify, buy, and redeem. Follow these best practices and you'll minimize risk and get into Sora 2 faster.